So it's kind of a gray, wet day. So I want to talk about today. Give you a little bit of update on my Blink XT2 camera system. I made a few changes to improve the reliability. So this is one that shoots out onto my driveway. It's the farthest away from the router, and sometimes it has connectivity issues. So I'll try to work on that. This one out here, I call it my intersection camera. It shoots out into the intersection of two roads in front of the house. This last one here is what I call the porch, and it's the closest to the router. So the way these Blink systems work is they have what they call a sync module, and then they have cameras, and the cameras operate off of batteries. The sync module operates off of a wall outlet. This sync module communicates to the router and to the cameras for control signaling, and then the cameras talk to the Blink module for control, but they send the video directly to the router. So it's pretty important that this sync module be kind of centered between the cameras that you'll have, and be maybe, let's say, halfway distance between the router and the cameras. So on the application, they give you an indication of the signal strength for each of the 4 components in my system, the 3 cameras plus the sync module. So here I am with the Wi-Fi analyzer. I'm near the porch camera, and you can see the signal strength for my network, which is called get loss, is in that minus 52, 55 dB range, which is the strongest signal. If I go into my application for the porch camera, click this button here, and I look down below and do an update. You can see the Wi-Fi status from the camera to the Wi-Fi is 3 bars. Camera to the sync module is 5 bars. So I got a nice good signal here from this network. So you can see on this intersection camera, the camera to the Wi-Fi is only down to 2 bars and turning yellow. Still got a good signal from the camera to the sync module. Now I'm over at the camera that's the farthest away. It's the one that looks over my garage driveway area, and it's down in the minus 62, kind of the weakest of all the readings so far. Let's see what it looks like for the camera itself. So here's the driveway camera. We'll go into the settings. Scroll down. Do an update. You can see I got only 1 bar in the red on the camera to the Wi-Fi, and camera to the sync module is down to 2 bars. So this is the one camera that I have intermittent problems getting. Basically the live feed has real trouble. So here's what I did. I went out and bought one of these Wi-Fi repeaters. This is only a $20 one. I got it on Amazon. Thought I'd give that a try. You can see the model number there if you want to look that up. But let's see what it looks like when I add this to the network and look at my camera strength then. So I added this Wi-Fi extender about halfway between the camera that's over my driveway and where the router is in my main computer room. You can add it using the exact same login and password information you have for your normal Wi-Fi. And if I look at my Wi-Fi analyzer, you can see that the get loss signal is only pretty low at this location, but the one on the top there, which I'll move a little farther away so it actually shows up on the graph. The second get lost is a much stronger signal here. I'm going to move over and show you what it looks like with each of the cameras. So you can see the two get lost Wi-Fi signals, one from the repeater, one from the normal router, is they're pretty comparable in signal strength near my porch camera here. So this was the signal strength we measured when I didn't have the extender on. I'll do an update and we'll see how much it changed. Should stay about the same. Yep, actually camera to the Wi-Fi got better. So pretty happy with this right here. Alright, here's the updated Wi-Fi signals for the second camera. This is what I call the intersection camera. The yellow one on top is actually the repeater camera. They're very comparable in signal strength. Let's see what it looks like on the camera itself. So this is what it looked like without the repeater, and then I'll update it and it shows what it looks like with the repeater in the circuit. Five bars, pretty sweet. Let's check the last camera. Alright, we're over near the last camera here. You can see the original get lost is down in that low -60, -70 range. The new one is up at the -53, 54 range. And now let's see what the signal looks like on the camera. So this is using the original signal. Now we'll do an update, show you what it is like with the new repeater added. Look at that, 5 bars and 4 to the sync module. So I think this was a good little $20 fix. So just as a test, I'll show you what it looks like when I put it on live view mode. See how long it takes. It's a little slower than I would like. The little talk button comes on, there it goes. So that was maybe 3 seconds. But that's much quicker than it was when I had a very weak signal. So I think this is going to work. Talk to you later.